Erwin Chargaff.
History. He was born August 11th, 1905, in the Ukraine. He died June 20th, 2002, in New York City, New York. He went to the University of Vienna in 1924 and 1928, and he went to Yale University while he was in the U.S. He was an Austro-Hungarian biochemist who immigrated to the U.S. during the Nazi era. He was a professor of biochemistry at Columbia University Medical School. He was also an author of many books such as
Serious Questions, Voices in Labyrinth, Anstafragen, Kritik der Zufka, Zugenschaft, Warnungstafeln, über das Lebendig. His experiment. Erwin and his students collected several DNA samples throughout their discovery. They used paper chromatography to separate the DNA. They subjected the DNA into an acid. The acid would hydrolyze the phosphodiester bonds as it caused a nucleophilic attack on the bonds. This made them break up into nucleotides. The nucleotides would then be separated and free for analysis. UV spectrometry was used to analyze the exact amounts of bases that were present in the DNA samples. This showed there wasn't an equal amount of purine bases, which are adenine and guanine, and the same is true with pyrimidine bases, which are cytosine and thymine. This proved that the tetranucleotide hypothesis, which stated all four bases were equal, was in fact wrong. However, it did prove that the number of adenine units was equal to the number of thymine units, and the number of guanine units was equal to the number of cytosine units. The exact percentages of these units are adenine at 30.9%, thymine is 29.4%, guanine is 19.9%, and cytosine is 19.8%. Although they are not completely equal, they are approximate. This eventually helped lead to the discovery of the double helix structure.
Chargaff discovered two rules. These helped lead to the discovery of the DNA's double helix structure. Rule number one was, in DNA, the number of guanine units equaled the number of cytosine units. This is also same for the number of thymine and adenine units. The second rule is the proportion of adenine and thymine and the proportion of cytosine and guanine holds true for both strands. These are known as Chargaff's rules. Chargaff won the National Medal of Science for Biological Sciences. Chargaff's rules remain unexplained until the discovery of the double helix by Watson and Crick.